Hi, I'm Gary. Sloppy Joes are American comfort food. Today we are featuring two different eggplant onion sloppy joes. One with eggplant julienne and the other dice and tofu sloppy joe. A complete vegan meal for lunch or dinner that's quick and easy to make.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living, a whole food plant-based lifestyle.
Supplies: stovetop, saucepan, spatula, serving plate, butter knife. Ingredients: large white onion diced, olive oil, artichoke diced small, eggplant diced small, extra firm tofu diced small, LAURY'S sloppy joe packaged seasoning, V8 tomato juice, 2 hamburger buns, organic hummus, freezer bags or glass container. Directions: turn on the stove top to high, number 10, then lower it to medium, number 5, once your saucepan is hot. The saucepan will caramelize the onions to prevent burning onions. Move them around using a spatula in the saucepan. Optional use: 1 teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil. Continue to move the onions in the saucepan and coat all the sides of the onions with the olive oil. Now, add the diced 1/4 inch artichoke to the saucepan. Next, add the eggplant 1/4 inch to the saucepan and cook the eggplant until soft. Now, add half a LAURY'S sloppy joe seasoning package to the mix and stir well. Next, add the extra firm tofu to the saucepan mix and stir well. Add half a can of V8 tomato juice to the mix of dried seasoning on the bottom of the pan and mix well. Now use an oven mitt to move the saucepan off the heat burner grill and turn off your stove top range. Next, use the organic hummus instead of veganaise on your bread buns. One option is to toast the bread buns. Now use a spatula and place the mix on your bread buns. If your food is hot, let it cool for a few minutes before eating. After the remaining food has cooled, place it in a freezer bag or a glass container for a later meal. The last step is to finish the cooking dishes. Enjoy. Turn on your stove top to high, number 10, then lower to medium, number 5, when your pan is hot. Caramelize the onions by using a spatula and move the onions around the pan so the onions don't get burnt. Optional: use 1 teaspoon extra virgin olive oil in your pan. Continue to move the onions around the pan and coat the onions with the olive oil. Add the diced artichokes to the pan. Add the diced eggplant to the pan and mix it into the caramelized onions. Cook the eggplant until soft in the saucepan. Add half the envelope of LAURY'S sloppy joe to the saucepan and mix it well. Now add diced extra firm tofu to the pan and mix well. Next, add half a can of tomato juice V8 to the pan and mix the dried sloppy joe seasoning on the bottom of the pan together with all the other ingredients and then mix well. Use an oven mitt and move the saucepan off the heat burner grill and turn off the gas burner on your stovetop. Use organic hummus instead of veganaise on your bread buns. A good option would be to toast the bread first. Spread the hummus on both sides of the bread. Use a spatula and place the artichoke, eggplant, onion ingredients on your bread buns. Remember, your food is hot, so don't burn yourself. Let it cool for a few minutes before eating. After the remaining food has cooled, place in a freezer bag or a glass container for a later meal. The last step is to clean the cooking dishes.
Hi, I'm Gary. I hope you enjoyed this video. Click the circle on the right side of your screen to subscribe for more organic vegan cooking, or click the rectangular box on the upper right side of your screen to see my expanded playlist. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like the video.
If you like what you see, subscribe. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up.